Hey there, math fans. Have you ever been curious about the phases of the moon? I've looked at the moon for years. I know a little bit about the phases, but I never really had thought about it carefully. So, empowered with 20 years of teaching calculus and using 3D tools, and with my recent knowledge of Desmos and Desmos 3D, I made some visuals. Desmos 2D has a nice fact that you can put pictures in. So I actually took a picture of the moon, put it in there, took a picture of the Earth from the North Pole, put it there. So the short answer is the phases, the light comes in from a certain angle and illuminates the same side of the Earth and the moon. So why does it look different? It's really just a perspective question. It really only depends on this one angle. If you can just find vectors that describe the direction from the moon to the Earth and from the moon to the sun, you can use the angle between them called the elongation angle or just the moon phase angle. That angle alone allows you to figure out how much of the moon is illuminated from our perspective. It's 1 plus the cosine of that over 2. It's a fairly simple formula. I'd never heard of that before until a few days ago. I'll follow up with a video at some point where I do some of that math. But mostly I bought this at a coffee shop recently. This is a lunar calendar for 2026, and I thought, well, now I have something to compare with. I'm very practical in how I do things. So there we go. That's called a new moon there. It's waxing and waning. I found this very fun to make. I have the Earth spinning. Actually, how it would spin. I found that all very intriguing. I hope you're finding this interesting. I'll follow up with a short video. I made 2 other visuals, but I knew I wouldn't be able to fit this all into this one. I did sort of, did some fact checking. May 1st was supposed to be a full moon. Hey, this is pretty close. So it's just, there's this simple formula I had never realized before. If you're finding this interesting, please let me know with a like or subscribe. But none of that really what I'd like to do is just find support for me to teach courses like this. So I will be trying to offer courses where I teach math through visuals. And I hope you're finding this as fun as I am. All right, thanks.